Hi my gardening angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jess, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. In one of my last videos, we introduced the succulent and cactus and herb and bonsai seed starting kits, and we had a giveaway going in that video, and we had a lot of entries and I was really excited, and we did choose a winner. And so I just wanted to let you know that that winner has been contacted. Lori H in New Orleans is where she lived, in New Orleans, Louisiana. So I'm really excited. I think that's kind of cool that people in Louisiana won. I live in South Dakota. It's just kind of always weird to think about. Anyhow, so she's already been contacted. I'm pretty sure her kit should be on her way now. So she ended up winning a cactus and succulent seed starting kit, and I'm so excited. Those were really fun kits to start and try, and I have all of my herbs growing in a little corner over here, and I have my bonsai trees, which are looking really good. They're getting, you know, their second set of leaves, and then the succulents and cacti are growing really well as well. Hello. So anyway, I just wanted to give a quick update on that because I've been getting a lot of questions about when the winner was going to be announced. So the winner has been picked and they've been contacted. So thank you everyone who participated in that giveaway. I thought it was so much fun to do, and I definitely want to do more giveaways in the future. The other thing that is really great about this giveaway is that although not everyone could win a succulent and seed starting kit, Homegrown was gracious enough to send me a coupon code to use for you guys. So I believe it's 25% off their cactus and succulent seed box. I figured that's the one that you guys would be the most interested in. So I will include that coupon code down in the description box below. So definitely go check that out if you were interested. It's such an easy way to grow something so unique. And I know a lot of you guys have been wanting to get into starting succulents and cactus from seed, and I think this is definitely a great first step to do that. So definitely go check that down below. So this is just kind of a little update video of a little bit of everything, but the other thing I wanted to mention is that this upcoming Sunday, I'm going to be doing a live succulent pumpkin tutorial / just question and answer. Hang out with me. I'm probably going to pour a glass of wine and just kind of, you know, read your guys' comments and questions while I go through and make my succulent pumpkin. I want to show you my pumpkin because it's gonna look awesome. One moment. Look at this thing. This pumpkin is so neat. I'm so excited to make a succulent pumpkin with this. I make one every year, it feels like. It's one of my favorite things to do. I bought this one actually from Safeway. They had a lot of really cool looking pumpkins. I think I ended up paying $4 for it because it was off of weight. But it's this really neat peachy coral color. And one thing that I wanted to invite you guys to do is to kind of make your own succulent pumpkin along with me during the video if you're interested, or you can just have a drink or a mocktail or whatever. You can just be in the comment section, that's also fine. But if you wanted to and you were making it along with me and you had questions, it would be a very easy and live moment to ask me any questions that you had while you were making a tutorial. So, or while you were making your own pumpkin. Goodness, my brain this week. So one of the few things that I wanted to just kind of go over is the supplies that you would need for this, and also kind of what to look for if you're getting a pumpkin. So you can do either a large pumpkin like this, or, you know, small pumpkins work too. So maybe we'll try to do both. But one of the things that I will mention is that when I'm looking for pumpkins, I like this shallow, or this almost bowl-like effect in the top of a pumpkin. I hope you guys can see that in comparison to where some pumpkins are really flat right here. And the reason being is you can stuff a lot of moss in here, and it just gives you a lot more room to work with. Sphagnum moss is what I'm going to be using. You can also use the green moss, the green sphagnum moss. I think I have some. Yeah, so here we go. This moss would also work, or the brown sphagnum moss, whichever you have, or whichever you can find. And the other things I'm going to be using are a hot glue gun and the glue. And you can use tacky glue or another type of glue if that's what you prefer. I will kind of go over a little bit of that in the live video of why I like hot glue. It is safe for the succulents. You just want to make sure you're careful so you don't burn your hands, because I do that almost every year. And then the other things you'll want are either some like scissors or knives and your succulents, and also or succulent cuttings. You can take a few days in advance. I'm probably just going to take the day of. It doesn't really make a difference. And the neat thing about this is you're putting them in a planting medium, and if you glue them correctly, they will reroot. So I'm really excited about that. And I do have some succulent cuttings that are already ready to go, so maybe we'll dig into some of those as well. But you can use tiny ones and little propagating succulents for these little pumpkins, or bigger ones, or a mix for the larger pumpkins. So I just wanted to extend the invite out to you guys. I thought maybe it would be something that would be really fun to kind of do alongside with me. So if you're interested, make sure that you mark it on your calendar. I think there's also a way to save the video. I will include a link down to the live option down in the comment section and the description box. Hopefully you'll be able to find it really easily and save it so that you can make sure to join on Sunday. And make sure that you switch the time zone so you join at the right time. Like I said, it'll be at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. So that is all I have for today's update. I hope to see you guys in the live video. I think it'll be really fun, and I hope that you would join me. If you have any questions about it, leave them down in the comment section below. Otherwise, I will also include a link down to all of Homegrown's products down in the description box so that you can find that as well. Oh, and that is all I have for you guys today. If you haven't already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like giveaways, and hopefully I'll do more in the future. Hopefully though, I'll see you on Sunday. So, bye.